from Jose Maria Christian Dairy. What's an activity that you were only able to do on your Beanie Pass that you weren't able to do normally?
Wait. Aside sa mag-sort kami ng gifts, kasi sobrang sikip ng matulog kami ng straight 12 hours. Yeah, walang alarm, hindi kami ginigising. Gigisingin lang kami, nasa venue na kami. Yeah, so, guys, okay na yun. Nalilito ako, hindi na ako makapagsalita. Pero yun, makatulog kami ng 12 hours, like legit 12 hours. So, kahit umalog yung bus, wala kang nararamdaman.
Grabe. And actually, I was telling the production, the Lauren and the girls, yung mga nakakagawa niyan, yung mga pop stars, superstars sa US.
Mas big stars lang katulad ng Beanie.
Yes, our superstars right here.
Star pa lang kami, star.
No, never. Especially to us Blues. Definitely, we got our superstars right here on the stage. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.